This one, of course, is by an impressive, dauntingly unbelievable, incredible, ever-changing Fleetwood Mac. Now here comes and say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you there? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. But listen, they're carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drowning in the stillness of the man. What you have, what you love, and what you have, what you love. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Saying women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. You will know. Now here I go again, I see the crystal vision, and I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams and have you any dreams you like to sell. Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat rising there in the stillness of the man. What you have, and what you love, and what you have, what you love. Oh, I find that only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Saying women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. I guess I should've known by the way you parked your car sideways that it wouldn't last. See, you're the kind of person that believes in making out walls, loving and leaving fast. Well, I guess I must be dumb. You had a pocket full of horses, Trojans, some of them used. But it was Saturday night, I guess that makes it all